babae naka-white na ano.
Yeah. We're here at the hospital. Liam was rushed here. Sama pakiramdam. Liam, are you sick? You don't look sick naman
Kunino.
Let's go to Dubai now.
Ha?
Bless. Bless.
70.
Let's go to Dubai now. Bless.
Ayun lang. May pinagmanahan ba na kay Daddy? Stop eating na sweets, ha?
Siguro pain sudden.
Liam? We're not feeling well daw yung baby namin.
Si Kuya may kausap, sabi niya.
Ay, baka lumabas ha. May mga coach.
Habol!
Come here, come here.
Hey! Ay, wala naman sakit
May
eh.
load ka.
Uy!
May
Ginawa mo kayo.
Wawa, baby.
Cat 5 dirhams.
Ay, pasaro tita mo.
So, wala palang sakit ang aming baby Liam. May sakit siya. Nagsusuka siya kanina daw. And then, ano ba nangyari? Parang meron daw virus na nakuha yung baby namin. And now, ano lang siya, he's under medication. Buti na hindi siya i-confine. But, ano man sabi ko sa'yo? The bad news is, ang taas ng sugar ni Liam, 105. Para sa bata, mataas yun kasi, alam ko nasa 90 lang ata ang normal na sugar. Ako, around 80 lang eh. And may lahi kasi kami, may tatay ko may sugar, may diabetes. And yung daddy rin niya, yung brother ko, ay may diabetes. So, ewan ko anong balak nilang gawin sa baby namin. Pero at least, okay naman. Wala namang masamang nangyari. And at least safe siya. And parang wala na siyang sakit. Wala. Shoo! Patawad. May batang namamalimos, oh.
Amin talaga love na love.
Party lang.
Nung baby siya, gusto niya.
Ganyan si Michael nun, Diyos ko.
Yeah!
One more pa.
Sige na, para galing ka na, baby.
Kasi hindi siya kumakain din eh. Kaya kailangan niya talaga. Oy, where's mommy? Mommy is coming. Mommy is
Yes! Once more, tita.
Mommy is coming.
Yeah!
Galing ka sa akin to. Mamaya.
Very good. Liam mo is sick today. Pero ang pogi-pogi pa rin. Look at the camera, Liam Bar.
Yan ba? O, di ba?
Hooray!
Pinapalagyan na ng tubig. Yung parang sa
Aray!
dextrose.
It's UAE National Day. You'll see more of these cars. Usually, pinagaganda nila sa kanila. Or parin. Stroller. Tignan mo pati yung merong I love you. Saka ito pa. May flag ng UAE. Diba? Look, there's another car. Nakita niyo yun? Ay! Yeah. You can see Zayed. Sheikh Zayed's face. Tuwing kailan kaya nila tinatanggal yun?
Next, tatanggal. Hindi, baka kasama niya yung jowa niya. Baka magsakay yung jowa niya.
Ayan. Can you see all the flags of UAE? Bongga. Ano kaya itong lugar? Ito pa, may flag pa. UAE. This is Abu Dhabi Mall.
Mami on the bus, safe.
Wow, ang ganda ng decoration nila, no? For Union National Day.
Safe.
Parang fireworks.
All day long. Baby on the bus, safe.
Ang cute, no?
Wa.
UAE.
Wa. Baby on the bus, say.
Wow, Liam, look ko. Yan, 43, 43rd
Thank you, Daddy.
Spirit of the Union
Excuse me, Liam.
National Day.
Liam, excuse me.
Yan ang color ng munisipyo. Alam mo parang ano? Ay, yan ang mga decorations nila kapag UAE National Day. It's the 43rd, no? 43rd year.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang Christmas Day. Pero, less lang, less lights. Dami, ilaw.
43rd.
So, we're finally back.
Tulugan, Ling?
Sino yun?
Saan?
Can't you hear it? Anyway, can you close the door, please? I hate ya. Close it, close it. I can hear our neighbor at the other room. Anyway, we're back in the house and I am not feeling well. Officially not feeling well. I don't know what happened. I just felt ill all of a sudden. Para akong kinakabat na di ko maintindihan. Pero I already took medicine and hopefully by tomorrow I'll feel better. So good night everyone. See ya.